asked me to work on my car all day. Mark, hello?
Here's my simple point.
No, there's no, he promised, and it's 3 o'clock. You said all day. You said 8 o'clock. Be here at 8 o'clock. I was here at 8:15, okay?
No, I just want to ask, what do you want to do to that?
Drive it.
Honestly.
Drive it.
You want to drive your car?
Yeah.
You can't even do it with a straight face. How are you going to drive a car with no brakes? I don't have time to hook up the brakes. There's no fuel tank in it.
Reverse.
There's no doors.
Forward, reverse, just a couple, move back and forth a little bit.
I don't care if it's his week. Okay, I still have a responsibility out there in the shop.
We could just tighten this back up and go to work on the other car. Doesn't have to go in today.
We will work on the other car. And it does have to go in today.
No, it doesn't have to go in today.
I think I'm having a heart attack.
And nobody's calling 911 either.
I want you to go around to the...
Oh boy, well, I thought you were gonna work on my car, Mark. Hello?
We will work on it, buddy.
When? Next year?
I've got to put the dash in the car. I just
We've got a dash in our hands.
Well,
you got to go inside. And you gotta, that's real nice.
Look better if a dash was going on my car instead of this one.
Darren, once again, without thinking of the customer or the shop or the team, is obsessed with the idea of getting his car running and driving. Which is crazy considering it has no parts on it. There's no brakes, there's no gas tank, there's no doors, there's no hood, no windshield. There's no ignition switch. There's not even going to be a throttle. I'm going to set the idle up really high, and you're driving it. Let's stop what we're doing for Princess, and let's go get his car running. So what is your intention exactly?
I'd like to drive my car.
You want to drive your car?
Millennium.
Your starter is shot full. That's what happens with these rebuilds after they sit.
How long did it work on my car? About 7 or 8 seconds the full day.
I think it looks really good, actually. Everybody, Mark here from Graveyard Carz. I can't put the top up until you hit subscribe. So I'm begging you. Hit subscribe.